Hi, my name is Denise, and I'm the owner of Pink Leopard, www.mypinkleopard.com. It's an online ladies fashion accessories boutique and a lifestyle brand. This particular video is about different ways to style a t-shirt. First, we have Silvia Thomas. She styles her t-shirt with a brooch. She styles her t-shirt with a headband and large hoop earrings. Oh, by the way, she got those earrings from www.mypinkleopard.com. And I like how she styled the t-shirt with the leggings. Very cute, Silvia. And then that fabulous Since 1973 t-shirt, that's a custom t-shirt from www.tamarahmack.com. Next, we have Lakisha Henson. She styles her t-shirt, a plain white tee, then she adds some nice accessories to them. www.mypinkleopard.com for all of your accessory needs. Then she takes the black t-shirt and she styles it with a bold statement necklace, also with the pearl necklace. Very nice. Thank you, Lakisha. Next, we have Valeria Cotton. She styles her t-shirt with Mary Kay and those beautiful accessories from www.mypinkleopard.com. Now, this particular t-shirt, she believed she could, so she did. She got it from Southern Goddess Boutique. The link is below. The Wash Your Hands t-shirt is from www.tamarahmack.com. And then, of course, the Mary Kay is from Valeria's website. The link is below. Thank you, Valeria. Next, we have Tamara Mack. She styles her t-shirt with brooches, sunglasses, cute shoes. Her G.O.A.T t-shirt, greatest of all times. It is from It Apparel with Devin Ann. Her Proficy t-shirt is from Struggle and Survival with Robert Drones. Those cute shoes she has on with that G.O.A.T t-shirt is from www.thefinikywife.com. So cute, Tamarah. Of course, you know those brooches are from www.mypinkleopard.com. Next, we have me. I like to style my t-shirts so many different ways, from statement necklaces to dainty necklaces to jackets, blazers, sunglasses. So many different ways to style a t-shirt. Just have fun and style your t-shirt. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you need some accessories, head over to www.mypinkleopard.com.